The video you're about to watch may contain coarse language and graphic scenery that others may find offensive. If you choose to watch, please watch at your own risk. Viewers under the age of 18 should require supervision. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, so you're about to see a Vancouver hipster freak out on me, but I have no idea why. Whenever I post something, there's always someone who asks what I'm not showing and accuses me of hiding something. Well, I always show everything that happens, but to put people's mind at ease, what you're seeing here is about 15 minutes before this hipster douche nuts freaks out. You can see that I'm just driving along and changing lanes when I have to. You might think that he's freaking out on me because I cut him off when I changed lanes. Well, I can assure you that I always check my mirrors and there was nobody directly behind me or trying to pass me whenever I changed lanes. Clearly, I did something to piss off this POS, but I have no idea what it is.
I guess the bus was coming down from Whistler or something to do the run out to Harrison.
Oh, okay.
But I guess, I don't know, it was way behind or couldn't get down or something. So they called me, can you do the Harrison? So both days it was, how long will it take you to get here? Oh, dude. What? What you doing? What the fuck's with this guy? What is this guy doing? Do you know what this guy's doing? What is this guy doing? Okay, I got my dash cam. I don't know what this guy's problem is, and I don't really feel like dealing with it. So, I'm just gonna go around him. That was weird, because I didn't actually do anything. I don't know where that guy came from or anything. Do you know what that was about? That was really weird. And now look at him. Here we go. Can you call the police? Sorry guys, there's some psycho guy here. There's some psycho guy here acting like a freak right now. I don't know what his problem is, but I'm getting it all on video. I don't know what's with this guy. I have no idea what he's freaking out about. I don't know what happened here. I've been going straight for quite a while now. Did you call the police? See if we can get his license number. 455JTG.
And there you have it. I guess I could have lowered the window to hear what this loser was whining about, but I don't think that would have helped the situation any. The only thing I can think of is that he's one of those guys we bus drivers encounter every once in a while who think that buses should never leave the right lane. They think that buses shouldn't have the same privileges as everyone else. I don't know. Let me know what you think, but please don't act like this hipster twat waffle. Also, please check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. A day in the life of a tour bus driver. Oh, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Have a sensational day. Bye for now.
bitch.
Damn.
Estábamos deseando el
Fuck, man. We're trying to tell him.